The need for powerful computing has been increasing over the years due to the application of computer-aided programs in engineering, graphics design, architecture, and similar other working areas. Back in the period, desktop computers were the best type of computing machine that could provide high-power processing. The invention of the all-in-one computer has changed the idea and created the possibility of making desktop computers portable as well as sturdy. Nowadays, all-in-one computers are more popular among home and office users. And today, we've selected the OptiPlex 7770 all-in-one computer from the renowned computer manufacturer Dell.
Here we go!
First, we'll take a look at the product and specs before we get into customer reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more Next Tech reviews. Now let's take a look. The Dell OptiPlex 7770 is a uniquely designed, powerful all-in-one computer designed by Dell. Its 27-inch diagonal Infinity Edge Full HD display has got the classic look, and the screen resolution is 1920 by 1080. The screen generates bright graphical output. Playing games, watching movies, and doing graphical work would be fun on the monitor. The PC comes with Windows 10 installed, along with the necessary software package. Dell OptiPlex 7770 is a powerful computer. Its 9th generation 4.2 GHz Core i3 processor with 8 processor count ensures speedy computing for the users. The computer comes with 32GB DDR4 RAM, which enhances its processing capability and to make the computer faster. It's got Intel Graphical Processing Unit with 6GB memory, which would ensure smooth graphical processing. OptiPlex 7770 comes with 500GB solid-state hard drive, which is 15 times faster than the regular HDD. The AIO has got HD True Vision webcam for excellent video conferencing support, and the built-in microphone ensures noise-free audio transmission. It's got Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5, 3 USB 3, 1 USB Type-C, DisplayPort, and other connectivity features. The dimension of the product is 24.17 by 2.28 by 15.31 inches, and it weighs around 18.5 pounds. Let's look into some user reviews to find out what users are talking about this all-in-one computer. The OptiPlex 7770 is a new addition by Dell, which is why we couldn't find any review on the AIO yet. But we've seen reviews on the OptiPlex series. The Dell OptiPlex 7010 has got 4.2 stars out of 5 stars. Therefore, we believe users would also like the OptiPlex 7770. Here are some comments on OptiPlex 7010. One person has given 5 stars and commented, "This thing runs cleanly on Ubuntu 16.04. with a handful of USB hard drives connected and the video card installed. The memory is the biggest bonus since I run a photo editing tool written in JavaScript. Big memory hog. All in all, I'm pleased." Another person gave 5 stars and wrote, "The value for dollar on this machine is high in my book. Very glad for the purchase and the service. Recommended." Some people didn't find the product useful. Among them, one gave 1 star and wrote, "I bought this machine to use in my business. When I got it, I moved files over as one would normally do. Then the problem arose. A fault in the boot records, a missing sector or something." That's all we have on the Dell OptiPlex 7770 all-in-one computer for now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Still not sure about this gadget? We also have similar product links for you to compare in the description. Don't forget to check us out at nexttechreview.com. Till next time, stay tech savvy. We'll see you then.